everyone, today I'm going to show you these new pens that I got from Pentel. They are the EnerGel retractable premium rollerball pens. There's 12 in the pack. And the pens are made from 54% recycled material, quick drying ink. There's 12 refillable pens in this pack, and the ink is the colour as per the finger grip. So they are the colours. On the back it says that the quick drying ink reduces smudging on hands and paper, so therefore it should be suitable for both right and left-handed writers. And it's got a 0.7mm tip, which gives a medium line width. A comfortable latex-free grip, so if anyone's allergic to latex, you should be okay with these pens. And they are refillable. It's got the refill code on the back, LR7. It says to remove the protective cover on the nib before using. So there we have all of the colours, and as you see I've just rubbed over that black as soon as I wrote it, and it is dry. It does seem to dry really quickly, and considering that it's EnerGel and that suggests it is gel ink, it does dry really quick. It has a feeling of being just liquid ink when you're writing. It's very smooth. The colours are nice and bright. I could use these for colouring in when you need to get in those tiny little details, because there are some nice bright colours here. To refill them, let me just try and get the, oh there we go. So you just unscrew it, that is what it looks like inside. So that's quite handy, because if I did decide to do some colouring with it, I've got some books that could do with something really fine to get in the little details. That's handy to know you can buy refills, because if you run out of a colour halfway through a picture, that's quite annoying. But they'll also be good for people who like journaling and just making your work and your writing look really pretty. Help you with note taking if you're a student as well. Good for highlighting all your important things you need to learn. So thank you for watching this review, and I will see you all next time.